Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to week 6, day 4. Today is Thursday, June 4th, and we are going to continue on with our mission study. So today we are going to do three different things actually. We're going to watch a video that goes along with some reading. We're going to do a compare and contrast slide. There's 2 slides, one's to compare and one's to contrast. And then we're going to write a thank you note. So let's go ahead and get started. So in your Learn slide today, you are going to hear 2 different informational slides. If you click on this link right here, it's going to take you to the actual reading. Can you see that? Miss Crane and Miss Penn were so kind to read for us today. You'll notice Miss Crane is here and she's going to read to you, and it's kind of cool because you can see her, which is nice. And then Miss Penn shows you the text, which is also really nice, and she reads it to you. So both of them are amazing readers. They volunteered to do this just like Miss Lopez did yesterday, so that's really awesome of them. Again, if you want to read it on your own, you can click here, open it up, and here's the reading. If you want to look at the reading while you are listening, you can do that as well. If you just want to listen, that's fine. Same with this one. You click here, open the website, and it's going to give you all the reading that Miss Penn is doing. Once you finish with those, you're going to come here and do your compare and contrast. Now, if I were you, I would either get a piece of paper out and take some notes, or I would pause the video, make your note, and then go back and finish the video. You need 4 things about the California Native Americans or the Indians, and then you need 4 things about the missionaries or the Padres. This is all about the life on the mission and their viewpoints. So you're looking at the life of the Native Americans, you're looking at the life of the missionaries, and you're looking at how they're different. This is all about how they are different, and the next slide is going to be how they are the same. So notice on this slide there is no line down the middle, whereas on this slide there is, and that's because this I want you to put individual things for each section, whereas this one I want you to tell me how are they the same. Okay, so that's kind of an easy way to remember as well. So 4 things, if you can find 4 things that they are the same, include those, include as many as you can. If you can't find 4, that's fine, but try to find as many as you can. Here, there should be plenty of information about how they're different. Again, here's the link to the slides of the reading if you'd like to go look at the reading, but if I were you, I would just pause the videos, make your notes, go back and watch the video. All right, I also highlighted up here what you're looking for, so this is the same. This is how they're different. And your last slide today is just a little thank you note telling Miss Crane and Miss Penn how grateful we are that they chose to read to us. We're very lucky because they haven't read to every class, but they did choose us, so that makes me very happy. So please make sure you write a nice note and not just thank you because it was good. You might want to say, Miss Crane, it was awesome to see your face. I really like the way you read it. You know, something like that's a little bit more personal. A couple of side notes. I have some students who are turning in work like this. Okay, that is going to get you a 0. And the reason why is because you've deleted all of the work. You're not turning anything in. You're turning in a blank slide. So it may say that you've turned it in, but I'm going to return it to you with a 0 on it. If you deleted it and you don't know how to get it back, you can come up to this little arrow right here. We talk about this in almost every slide. You're going to click the arrow and it's going to undo and it should give it back to you. Now, if you delete it, log out, and now you can't get it back because the arrow won't work anymore, then write me a quick message and I can help you get a new one. Okay? But if you turn it in blank and there's no note, then it's going to receive a 0 for no credit. Okay? Another thing that I'm noticing there is a lot of grammatical errors, a lot of punctuation errors. You guys are forgetting that there's a capital letter at the beginning of sentences. I know you're fourth graders, guys. I know you know how to do this. Every sentence starts with a capital letter. Every sentence should have some sort of a punctuation mark at the end. Okay, please reread your work. Also, I'm noticing that you guys are not necessarily following the directions. I will post something and I'll say, please answer in 5 sentences or more, or at least 5 sentences, and I'll get something that has 1 sentence. Or I will get something that only half the question is answered. So if it says, what did you find interesting? Why did you find it interesting? If you're not giving me both pieces, you're not going to get full credit. So I just wanted to make you guys aware of that, because next year you will be in 5th grade and I want you to do the best you can in 5th grade. And this way you'll be ready and prepared. So please take a look at your work before you turn it in. And if you don't get full credit on your work, most likely it's because you've forgotten one of those things. All right, if you have any questions, please feel free to come see me at my office hours from 1 to 2 every day. Have a great day, guys.